I just saw the elf. Hi everyone, it's me, Princess Riri, and today we are going to be opening not one, but two Toysinsiders. It's going to be an October box and November box combined. And look at me, cute little dog, Pixie. She's really cool because she got a haircut, like, on Sunday. I would like to thank Toysinsider for sending me this huge toy surprise box. She's probably gonna go over there. Let's open the November box. And it's almost my birthday. It's kind of like a Christmas birthday gift. See a note. Is that a squishy? It says, hi Riri, welcome to your November Toysinsider box. Here are some goodies we've included for you this month. Just gonna dig in. Oh, there's some bags. What? What the? It's a narwhal! I love narwhals. This will match with my room very much. Little rainbow thing on his head. Narwhal plush. This is so cute. Ooh. This is a JoJo Siwa glitter nails. And like, wow, making your nails very glittery, shiny. I already painted my nails Christmas colors. Next. It's a huge squishy, like, oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's like a giant squishy. Squishmallows. So soft, cuddle, and squeeze them. The kitty cat and it's so squishy. I have my own squishy and I put it over there. The next one is, it's a box, a little box. Ooh, it's another JoJo Siwa hair product thing. Airbrush. Have colorful hair just like JoJo Siwa. I can't wait to do this. But I don't know if it will show up on my hair because my hair is like very, very dark. Try this out soon, so stay tuned for this video. Here's the next one. It's a plushie. It's a unicorn. Oh my gosh. This looks like a pony from My Little Pony. And this is a unicorn plush. Cutie bark. Okay. What is... It's a Harry Potter collectible one. I haven't seen these before. Oh, this is cool. Like mini wands. I want to open it. These are all the wands that you can collect. Like, I watched the first movie. And, ooh, in the first book right now. It's really interesting. And this looks really cool. Wait a second. Oh my gosh, guys, I actually have this. I have the same exact wand. I didn't even know which wand I was gonna get. That's cool. Here is it. Hermione Granger. This is her wand. Here it is, and the little wand. That's the exact same one. Little leaf details. This one has it too. So these are the same wands. But this one can be for your dolls. It comes with this little wand stand and it looks really cool.
It looks like, is that water? What is it?
It's just like magic swirl. Magic cool swirls. I think this is, yeah, this is Harry Potter's wand. And they show you a bunch of spells on the back. So here are all the like you can do spells on and like move your wand in these directions. These are different spells that you could do. Next, I fill little tiny boxes. More in one. Wait, I feel bag. Hatchimals! Hatchimal collectibles! Hatch Friends Forever. I haven't opened it yet. Is this the last one? Guys, more wands! Even more wands! How many wands do I have? Oh my goodness, there's even more. I got lots of wands. I'm a wizard. That's all of it. So, got these Hatchimals. Just like the basic Hatchimal. Oh! Wait, I already have these. I have these twins. No, these are horses. Unicorn Pegasus. What if? Okay, time to open the October one. I'm not going back. Okay, guys. Let's see what the first thing is. What is this? Fashion plates. And, like, you can stamp it on and then color it. And, wow, this is actually real cool. We can mix and match fashion drawing. I'm going to try this out in a separate video. Oh my god. What? Oh my goodness. This is a slime. It's a slime kit. Glam glue, and you can store your slime in this purse, and you can carry it around wherever you go. I love slime, so this is perfect for me. I'm definitely gonna do a separate video on this very soon because I love slime, and I'm gonna open it. Next thing. There's so many boxes. Like there's, ooh, this is a tie-dye kit, and I haven't really tie-dyed. So this looks like it's real fun. This is a tie-dye station from Cool Maker, and it's Spin Master. It looks like you can make a purse on here, which is really cool, and a headband, and it comes with gloves. What's it? It's like, ooh, what the? This is Galaxy Slime. This looks cool. I want to open this right now. Okay, let's see. What is this? Oh, it's heavy. Got num-noms. I have a blue tray of this. 12 mystery num-noms. Can't wait to open this in a future video. Next. It's a box. Oh, it's another oozing. This is mermaid ooze slime. This looks cool. Yeah, that's it. So, it is a kit. Yeah. Activator. My favorite, probably this, because I love slime. So that's why I'm happy that I got this. Hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.